Hello, we will be drawing a simple sunset with a shadow picture. So for this I am using oil pastels. So first you have to draw a circle. You can as well draw 2 to 3 circles depending upon the colors. I have just drawn a circle and I have taken a sunset colors: light yellow, dark yellow, orange, red and brown. So around the white circle I have just colored with light yellow, and after that I am using dark yellow, then orange shade. So I am just coloring around the circle, leaving the white circle in the center. Now I am coloring with red around the circle, and the remaining part of the white space I am coloring with brown. So now once the entire white space is colored with brown, now I wanted to blend all these colors. So I wanted to use a blending technique where I will be using a tissue paper. So I am blending all these colors. So I have taken a little part of the tissue paper. I am just rubbing over the circles. I am just doing rubbing around the circles so that all the colors should be blended. So the yellow is blending with orange, orange is blending with red, and red is blending with brown. So similarly you have to rub entire picture with the tissue paper. Now almost the colors are blended. Now you can take a pencil to draw a simple tree with leaves and 2 birds sitting on the branch. You can use a normal pencil or a 8B dark pencil, dark black pencil. So now simple birds. Then you can fill the tree. Since it's a shadow, you can color with black oil pastel or black dark pencil. You can also use brush pen, but it is spreads sometimes, so better to use a oil pastel or a dark pencil, dark black pencil. So now entire tree I am coloring with black. You can as well use the black pencil. So now the branches I am drawing simple branches, leaves using the oil pastel. Now you can take a black sketch pen for drawing the birds. Since the oil pastel has a fat tip, so it's better to use a sketch pen so that you can draw and it is very clear. The birds will be clear in drawing. So now the bird is ready. Now you can just color the borders with different color. You can use brush pen, sketch pen, whatever you want you can use as per your choice. So this is a simple drawing where we are using a blending technique. So this is how it looks. And in the center of the circle you can just do a little bit of white. You can color with oil pastel, white oil pastel. So now this is the blending technique where I have used my tissue paper. You can as well use cloth, cotton, etc.